Hey, what's up everyone? In this video I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile. So first let's open Facebook. First we will need to turn off professional mode. So we would go to Facebook, click that, turn off professional mode, turn off, then close. Then we will go to settings and privacy. Go to settings. Then you will see profile locking. Then you can lock your profile from here. So I will lock my profile. My profile is now locked. Yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching.